So I made myself another pick handle here, I guess is what I want to call it. Sparrow's pick with the one of my favorite profiles in there, and cherry wood this time. It's getting better. My production quality is getting better over the previous one that I'd made, which is this here. Handle was too thick, started to break up, so forth. Still got a little bit of breakup in there. Actually got a little bit of exposed metal this time as well, but I'm learning, and much thinner than my previous profile, which feels better in my hand. It's closer to the actual 3D printed ones that I'm modeling it after. Yeah, came out pretty good, I think. Not too bad in any case. Gonna be making a I guess a 4 set of walnut handles for some monkey paws coming up here in the near future as well. In any case, Mark A. Squared, that's all I got for you right now.